this video, we're going to talk about another awesome marketing tool, software that you'll find exciting in your business. But before we get into the video, click the link below where you'll be able to check out some awesome tools, bonuses that you'll be able to grab if you pick up this awesome tool. But now let's jump into the video.
Unlock the potential of your online business with the AI Niche Site Blueprint. This comprehensive guide is designed for aspiring entrepreneurs who want to build successful niche websites using the power of artificial intelligence. With step-by-step strategies, you'll learn how to identify profitable niches and create content that captivates audiences. Imagine having a blueprint that takes the guesswork out of online marketing, allowing you to focus on growth rather than trial and error. The program also includes valuable insights on SEO, monetization methods, and leveraging AI tools for efficiency. Plus, it's beginner-friendly, so you don't need to be a tech guru to get started. Join countless others who have transformed their websites into revenue-generating machines. Don't miss this opportunity to elevate your online presence and turn your passion into profit.
If you're watching this video, don't forget to pick up the bonuses after you purchase. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Thank you.